Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is David Saputra. I'm from class BEC and I'm from the Department of English Education. Okay, today I want to answer about review article journalism forms title Speaking Challenges among English Club Members at one Islamic boarding schools in South Sumatra. The authors they are Leni Marzulina, Muhammad Holania, Dian Erlina, Herizal, Hikmah Zalifa Putri, and Lia Hidayanti. All authors are from Teacher Training and Education UIN Fatah Palembang, while Hikmah Zalifa Putri is from University Riau. Purpose of the study. The study aimed to investigate the speaking challenge faced by students who journal the English Club at Darul Abror Islamic Boarding School, Banyuasin, South Sumatra. The researchers sought to identify the main barriers that hindered students' speaking ability and to find out have these challenges affected their participation and progress in speaking activities. The science of the study explain and describe the process of the design. The study used a qualitative case study design. The researchers conducted observation and interviews to collect detailed information about students' speaking experience, focusing on describing their behaviors, motivation, and challenges when speaking English in English club activities. This design allowed the researchers to obtain in-depth insight into the natural setting of the club. Okay, next, location and participant at the study. Explain the process of selecting the participants. The research was conducted at Darul Abror Islamic Boarding School, Banyuasin, South Sumatra. Out of 20 English club members, 6 students were purposefully selected using maximum variation sampling. They were chosen based on their duration of participations, more than a year, and less than a year. Okay, next, number 6. Data collections describe the process in collecting the data and share diverse perspectives about their speaking experience in the club. Data were gathered through two main instruments. 1. Observations. The researchers observed for consecutive English club meetings to record students' behaviors, instructions, and responses during speaking activities. 2. Semi-structured interviews. After the observation, 6 selected students were interviewed using open-ended questions to explore their feelings, opinions, and challenges when speaking English. Okay, next, data analysis. Describe the process in analyzing the data. The collected data were analyzed using thematic analysis based on Kurzweil's model. The process included organizing the transcribing the data, coding significant patterns, grouping codes into categories, developing major themes, and interpreting the meaning behind those themes to answer the research questions. Okay, next, major findings. Describe the major findings regarding to aims and problems of the study. Four major challenges were identified among English club members. 1. Lack of vocabulary. Students often struggled to find appropriate words. Lack of vocabulary. Students often struggled to find appropriate words, resulting in pauses or code switching. 2. Use of mother tongue. Students preferred to use Indonesian or local language during speaking sessions. 3. Lack of self-confidence. They felt nervous and formal making mistakes when speaking in front of others. 4. Lack of motivation. Some students showed hindered enthusiasm and limited interest in participating actively in English club activities. Okay, the last, connection with relevant students. Find one or more relevant students with the findings regarding to the title. Al-Husni, 2014. The study found that students may feel more comfortable speaking in their native language in class than in a foreign language because it feels more natural and they feel less exposed. Next, Hijrah and Umar, 2021. This research showed that most students view joining an English club as a positive endeavor. Students believe that English club can help them achieve language fluency. Okay friends, I think it is enough for my review today. If I have made mistake, I say sorry, and to Allah we are apologies. See you next time and see you soon. Syukran jazakumullahu khairan wa barakallahu fikum. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.